So I have made this sheet for our next DIY game and we will be using this pista shells for our players. So which color you want, Shreya?
Red.
Red. Okay, so yours is red, mine is green. So this is the start point and we have a dice here and then we will be using these coins. You can use anything, beads, stones, whatever you have. So we will be placing all these coins in the center. So let's start.
3.
3. So move 3 steps.
1, 2, 3.
Yay! What is it?
Get 3 coins.
Okay, you got 3 coins. 5. Okay, you play.
3.
3. Move 3 steps.
1, 2, 3.
4.
2.
Yay! I get 5 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, your turn. 3. Move 3 steps.
1, 2, 3.
You too get 5 coins.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
2 coins only.
2.
Only 2 coins.
Okay, take 4. Move 4 steps.
1, 2, 3,
4. 5. 4, 5. Okay, your turn. 5. Move 5 steps.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5. 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
3. 1, 2, 3. Take 2 coins. I get the 2 coins. So like this you have to move on till you complete all your coins. So let's count how many you have.